So let us see the uses of plants. So plants are very useful to us in many ways. Okay, plants are useful not only to human beings but also to other living things, and also to the environment, also to the earth. Okay, so we all know that oxygen is one of the important thing which is required by all the living things, right? All the living things require oxygen, and this oxygen is given to us by the plants give out oxygen in the air, and we, all the living things including us, we all use this oxygen. We all need oxygen for our survival. Then plants are also helpful in reducing the pollution, the air pollution. How? By taking in the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what? One of the causes of air pollution, right? One of the main cause of air pollution is carbon dioxide. So the plants take in this carbon dioxide, and in return they give out oxygen, which is good for the environment, for the air. Then it also reduces noise pollution. You must have seen there are many trees planted around the hospitals, around the school, right? Why? So that the noise pollution is reduced, because trees, plants, they reduce noise pollution. Then the dead plants are used as manure. Manure increases the soil fertility. It is used for farming, in agriculture, right? So for good production of food or crops, you can say, manure is used, and manure is prepared by using dead plants. Then plants also give us wood, right? We get wood from plants, and there are many uses of wood, right? We have studied the uses of wood. So one of the major use of wood is in making furniture, right? Wood is used in making furniture, in making buildings. Then also it's used as firewood, for burning wood, right, as a fuel. So plants give us wood, which is useful in many things. Then plants also give us oil are extracted from seeds of the plant. Some of the seeds are seeds of sunflower, right? We use sunflower seeds, we use sunflower oil for cooking. There are many more seeds which are used as oil is extracted from the seeds. Then we get perfumes are made from flowers, right? Then seeds and fruits are eaten as food as well. We have seen that many seeds such as peanuts, maize, beans, etc. are eaten as food, and many fruits such as apple, grapes, banana, there are many fruits which are eaten as food. So we get all these from plants. So these are the uses of plants. There are many uses, these are some of them.